This is a DDAmanda video on Brookmount Explorations Inc. Well, that's a straight line. Symbol BMXI, and she's on the OTC. Now, I've been involved with this company, been watching it for a long time because they are a profitable gold mining company. Anyway, it's been a steady decline here. Real slow from 3 cents to 2 cents, 3 cents, kind of channeling. And then on 6-4 we had a 4 factor and she dropped 42%. And then the next day she had a 52 factor and dropped 35%. So she showed up on the scan right here. New 200-day low of just under a penny, 99, and 674,000 traded. That's a 200-day high. So something's going on here. It's a good time to buy. We got some here at one, a little above one. And she started going back up again. Here's 10% up, 24% up, another 14% up. And she also had some news which was driving this, and we're going to get into this in a little while here. So today she had a really good day, up 75%. So let's go look at the news that came out that drove this, okay? Okay, this is the first news that came out on June 5th here, just a few days ago. And what they released is they have strong gold production metrics for the last month, so they've been really doing good. They processed 52 tons of ore, produced 54 ounces of gold, and they announced that they're going to expand their mining operations. So they've got an existing shaft down to 70 meters, and they're going to run another location adjacent. So they're going to have 3 vertical shafts running. That's like times 3 their production. So they're going to be starting to produce a lot more, okay? It says here contribution of over 50% of total production for the second half of 2025. So this adds up to about, I think, around $200,000 here for the month. But anyway, they're growing, and let's look at the next news. And this is the news that came out today here on June 11th, that's today, and helped start this run. Now, we've been waiting for audited financials here for like a year. And finally, I think we're going to get this. He's going to convert them from GAAP to IFRS, reflect a net profit of $7 million for 2022. 7 million, that's net. And EPS of 4 cents per share. Now, remember, she's trading around 2 cents. Well, she's a little bit above that, so she's trading below her EPS. Imagine that, right? So they're finally going to sign these, file these signed audits to OTC markets, and then they're going to go on to previous year, subsequent years, and it's going to be PCLB review and sign off. So that's going to make them totally legit, which should bring in some more investors and maybe even some institutions, guys. So a lot higher quality investor is going to be looking at this, and we should see a nice appreciation of the stock price. But here's the deal. We've got an EPS, earnings per share, of 4 cents per share. And we're trading about 2.5 cents, almost 3 cents. So we're trading below the EPS. And on a normal gold mining stock, this should be 5 times. The stock price should be 5 times your EPS, which is 20 cents. And from here, that's a 10-bagger. That's a 10x from here, just to get to the minimum of 20 cents a share. Alright guys, listen, thanks for watching, and onward and upward, baby. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.